Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to walk you through a fantastic addition to your Shopify store, the Viewer Count widget. This nifty little tool is all about boosting engagement and adding a cool dynamic element to your product pages. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First up, I'm clicking over to the Shopify homepage. Then, I navigate to Online Store and click on Themes. Before diving in with the Customize button, I'm hitting those three little dots to select Duplicate. This backup step is crucial, folks. Trust me, you don't want to lose your work if things go sideways. It's always better to have a safety net allowing you to revert to the original theme without any hassle. All right, theme duplicated and we're good to go. Now I'm clicking Customize to enter the theme editor. From here, I'm selecting Products at the top and choosing the default product. And voila, we're on the product page where we'll be adding our Viewer Count widget. On the left, I click on Add Block and then find Custom Liquid. Entering the Custom Liquid section, I'm ready to paste the code. And don't worry about writing this from scratch. You can grab the ready-made code from the link in our video description. It comes with detailed instructions on how to add and customize it, making the process super straightforward. After pasting the code, I simply drag and drop it into place. As you can see, the widget text appears right away. Now I hit Save, and just like magic, the viewer numbers start to blink dynamically. You can move this widget wherever it suits your layout best. If you dive into the code, you'll find options to tweak the number of viewers, change the text, or even swap out the emojis to fit your style. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit Save again, and you're all set. And there you have it. Our Viewer Count widget is now up and running live on the site. It's a fantastic way to add a bit of dynamism to your store and engage with your customers in a unique way. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy selling.